Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the error code is 2502 or 2503 while installing or uninstalling a programs in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is we need to open our File Explorer. Okay, just open it. Okay, once you're here, directly proceed to your local disk, which is under this PC. So here under your local disk, find a file explorer named Windows. So if you don't find any, click on View, proceed to Show, and click this hidden item so that it will be marked checked here. Once done, you would be able to find it. Double tap that to proceed. And here you need to scroll down and look for temp. So just continue on scrolling down and be keen on finding such because there are a lot of folders here. Okay, so now it's here next to task. Just select it. Make sure that it is selected. Do a right click. And this time you need to go with properties. So once you have successfully opened the temp properties, proceed to security. And there you can find an option called advanced. Click on it. So the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open this new window called advanced security settings for temp. Here you need to try out one by one and edit one by one and make sure that all of this are having a full access. Click on OK and go with the second. Click on edit. Make sure that all of this are checked. Click on OK. Then go with the system. Click on edit and then make sure that all of this are checked. Click on OK. Then go with the next one. Then click on edit. Then once it is checked, then click on OK and proceed to this very next one and click on edit. Make sure that all of this, okay, all of this principal or users have the full access. Okay, once done, click on apply and then click on yes and then click on OK. Click on OK once again and then close this window. The moment you've closed it, you have just successfully fixed your problem. Okay, so continue on installing or uninstalling the programs that you would want to be installed or removed in your Windows or computer. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.